I'm Kiel Brennan-Marquez. I direct the Center on Community Safety, Policing, and Inequality here at UConn Law School. The center is founded on a pretty straightforward idea, which is that the best way to pursue criminal justice reform is to think creatively and kind of work locally with especially municipal institutions that are interested in thinking outside the box. Too often in conversations about criminal justice, there's a sense of kind of despair that sets in, treating the problems and pathologies that we've seen historically as inevitable or at any rate endemic, and imagining that the only real way to see change is to engage in kind of radical overhaul. But this center, we're more focused on finding possibilities within the existing system to really improve things on the ground. Connecticut's an ideal place to be doing this work because it's a state that's relatively small with relatively well-functioning municipal institutions, and things can actually get done. We passed a historic police accountability bill in 2020, and that was really the inspiration for this center. It was kind of a moment of emboldenment for folks who have been working in criminal justice reform for a long time, and the thought was, let's roll up our sleeves, let's take some of the insights that we've developed as a scholarly community, as a research institution, and really bring them to bear in local institutions. And that's exactly what we've been doing. We have a project that's trying to think outside the box around school safety, exploring alternatives to having armed police officers in schools and what might be kind of other means to achieve similar safety goals. We also have a project that's spearheaded jointly with the Insurance Law Center around the connection between policing and risk management, liability insurance and other risk management tools, and how they can kind of impact police conduct and policies on the ground. Through it all, though, the main idea is really that lasting change in this area actually just requires, a lot of gumption and creativity and working locally, which is exactly what we've been trying to do in the Hartford area and beyond.